Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have c plus 3 is equals to c minus 3 and we solve this problem for all the values of c. So here first we need to find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. Further, we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move toward the solution of this problem, and here first I can explain why we solve this problem for two methods. Here, if in your exam the question statement is that you need to determine the roots of this equation, so in that case you just follow our first method. But if in your exam the question statement is that you need to determine the solution set of this problem, so in that case you just directly move toward the second method of this problem. So now we move towards the first method. In the first method, if you see directly into the question statement, it is not possible to find the values of c. So here I can give you nine tricks in which you can easily get the roots of this equation. So here we need to apply squaring on both of the sides, and it will be written as c plus 3 whole square is equals to c minus 3 and its whole square. So here we use the nice algebraic formula, you know about that. If we have a square minus b square is equals to a minus b times of a plus b. So we apply here this nice algebraic formula to the above equation, so that our above equation is written as, here we move c minus 3 whole square into the left hand side, and it will becomes c plus 3 whole square minus c minus 3 whole square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now if you see here, the base of this term is our a and the base of this term is our b. So we just apply the values of a and b into this formula, and it will be written as in this form. So after applying this formula to the above equation, it will be written as, here our first factor is a minus b, the value of a is c plus 3 minus the value of b is c minus 3 into, again we have the a plus b, the value of a is c plus 3 and plus the value of b is c minus 3, and this whole equation is equals to 0. Here we need more simplifications, and now first we multiply this negative sign on both of these two values, and it will become c plus 3 minus c plus 3, and this is c plus c becomes here 3c. This is negative 3 and positive 3 are gone, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So here you see that this is negative c and positive c are cancelled out by each other, and here we will obtain 3 plus 3 becomes here 6 times of 3c, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now we multiply c with 6 with 3, and we get 6 times 3 becomes 18c, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So here our target is to find the values of c. So for this we need to remove this 18 from left hand side, so that we will divide both of the sides by 18, and when we divide by 18 it will be written as in this form. This 18 and this 18 are gone, and we get here c is equals to 0 divided by 18 is equals to 0. So this is the value of c which we get here in the first method. And now here in the next steps we need to verify that is this value of c be the solution, or is this value of c be the extraneous root. So for verification of this value we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is c plus 3 is equals to c minus 3. So here we need to verify this value of c, so that we substitute this value of c on both of the sides, and it will be written as, this is 0 plus 3 is equals to 0 minus 3, and here we will get this is 3 is equals to minus 3. So we will obtain here positive 3 is equals to negative 3, and you see here positive 3 is not equals to negative 3 in general, so this is a not possible case. It is not possible that a positive 3 is equals to negative 3, because these two are not equal. So this means that the above value of c is equals to 0 is not satisfied our given question statement. So we will be called that c is equals to 0 be the extraneous root of the given equation. So c equals to 0 be the extraneous root, and you see here we cannot get any other value of c which is satisfied our given question statement. So this concludes about that this question has no solution. So this is our final answer which we get here from first method, and now we again solve this problem for second method. So for second method we need to copy down given question statement. Here and the given question statement is c plus 3 is equals to c minus 3. This is our given question statement, and here in the second method, here our second method be the very quick method or straightforward method. Here we quickly determine about the solutions out of this problem, so that we move plus c to the left hand side, and it will become c plus 3 minus c is equals to minus 3. This is negative c, this is positive c are cancelled out by each other, and we get here plus 3 is equals to minus 3. And you see that in general, now positive 3 is not equals to negative 3. So this means that in the second method we cannot get any value of c which is satisfied our given question statement. So this means that this question has no solution in general. So our second and first method, both methods concludes that this question has no solution. So this is our final answer of this question, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.